India is an agriculture country. It's famous for its heritage, culture, and so on. For centuries, spice has been traded from India. And today, we have the moringa and the turmeric, which are sought out so much all over the world. For agriculture, we need a very good ecosystem, and all the five elements of nature are very important. We need a very healthy soil, pure water, and the right wind. Time is also very, very important in agriculture. We plow the land when it rains in May, and we sow the seeds in August, and harvest is done in January, where rain should not be there. And only if you have a very healthy soil and you have pure water and so on, you can have a very healthy produce. Healthy produce means healthy human being and all healthy life even among the animals and the entire ecosystem. So today, let us pray for all the five elements of nature to be in the right way for us, and the sun, above all, the timeless energy, is very important on this day. We can grow, we can have the technology has grown so much that man can create many things. But can we grow a seed? It needs its time. When you sow a seed, it takes its own time to grow. We have to wait for it. So that is what all about nature and agriculture. பேராயிரம் பதவிவானோரேத்தும் பெம்மானை பிரிவில்லா அடியார்க்கென்றும் வாராத செல்வம் தருவிப்பானை மந்திரமும் தந்திரமும் மருந்துமாகி தீரா நோய் தீத்தருள வல்லான் தன்னை திருபுறங்கள் தீயன சிலகை கொண்ட பேரானை புள்ளிருக்கும் வேலூரானை போற்றாதே ஆற்ற நாள் போக்கினேனே.